So we do have a role here called Employee Transition Programs, and the reason that we did this is we wanted to make sure that your new hires have access to the system to do their pre-boarding within the system, maybe before their hire date, before they have access to the entire system. So we created a specific role only for the transition programs for employees. And just like all the other pages, these are configurable, so you can include videos or images, of course, a welcome, text in here. And then you can see you can also have multiple transition programs active at the same time. So you may allow your new hires maybe to work on pre-boarding and onboarding at the same time. We're going to focus on the onboarding activities. We can see I have 2 tasks remaining. They're overdue, but overall I'm 80% complete here. So I can just come in and continue my onboarding tour here. And just a couple things to point out. These tours are highly configurable. You can include as many tasks, which is what we're going to call each of these steps, as many tasks as you want. You can have a variety of tasks in here. We can have documents. We can have user-defined text that's going to be acknowledged with an electronic signature. We can pull in information from the HR system. We can even interface into an external site as well. So if you wanted to do, let's say, a survey through SurveyMonkey, you could pull in that interface directly into the onboarding tour. So just an example, I just want to show a couple of examples of what we could include in a transition program. This first one here is just asking to confirm that the personal information is accurate. So I've already confirmed this, but it's just pulled in all the information for me, and I said, yes, that's correct. I mentioned that we could include forms. So you can see we've got disability, EEO, and veteran self-ID. So we can include any type of form in here. And then, we've included checkboxes on the electronic signature in here. We can also pull in things like the W-4 and even your user-defined policies. So let's say this is a dress code policy. So we have kind of our user-defined text in here, and then we're wanting an electronic signature down at the bottom. And then the last thing I'll tell you, and this is just an example that we can pull this information in because you may have your employees enroll in benefits on their onboarding program. They can also do it through employee self-service, but just wanted to show that we can pull screens in from, employee self-service here for employees to do things like enroll in benefits.